Okay, this is cat rescue number 104, and this is in Villa Rica, and this cat is up here in this oak tree, and it's about 40 feet up, and it is up here, and it's right there at that crotch. So I'm going to climb up there and try to get this poor baby. What's the baby's name?
Sassy.
Sassy? Yep. I'm going to try to get Sassy. He looks like a really pretty kitty cat. Right there, they're holding a tarp just in case he jumps. This was a night rescue. And okay, reach inside here now.
Yes, sir. She is purring so loud.
Okay, all right, there. Reach inside there. Okay.
Oh my God, baby.
I missed you so much. She lost so much weight. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. Okay.
My baby.
Don't let her run up. Okay.
Oh, she lost so much weight.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Take her inside. Give her some food and some water.
Oh man, it's been crazy.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go put her up. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.